proud to be part of the Leela.
Yay!
Thank you to all of you for all your hard work, what you put in day in, day out. A bigger thank you to your families for supporting you to be able to be your best. India's finest, world's best.
Leela is the best. Thank you so much.
This award, and thank you Leela for giving me this, and I'm really happy for this.
Thank you, Leela, for accepting me and letting me be who I am. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you Leela for giving us a good opportunity for this award.
Thank you.
We love you Leela, you're the best.